Hello everyone, in today's video, we will learn how electricity is produced from water. This process is called hydroelectric power generation, one of the most widely used renewable energy sources in the world. Hydropower plants convert the energy stored in water into electrical energy that can power homes, schools, and industries. Let's understand the process step by step. The first requirement for hydropower is a large water source, usually a river. A dam is built across the river to store water in a reservoir. When water is stored at a higher elevation, it contains potential energy. The higher the water level, the greater the stored energy that can be used to generate electricity. When electricity is needed, gates in the dam are opened and water flows downward. The water travels through a large pipe called a penstock. The penstock carries water at very high pressure and speed toward the turbine. Because the water is moving downward due to gravity, its energy increases as it flows through the pipe. At the end of the penstock, the fast-moving water strikes a hydroelectric turbine. A turbine is a large wheel with specially designed blades. When water hits these blades, the turbine begins to spin rapidly. At this stage, the kinetic energy of the water is converted into mechanical energy. The turbine is connected to an electric generator through a rotating shaft. When the turbine spins, it turns the generator as well. Inside the generator are powerful magnets and copper coils. As the generator rotates, electromagnetic induction occurs, producing electricity. This process converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. The electricity produced by the generator is then sent to a transformer station. Transformers increase the voltage so the electricity can travel long distances efficiently. After that, the electricity moves through transmission lines and power grids to reach homes, businesses, and industries. So this is how moving water is used to produce electricity in a hydropower plant. Hydropower is considered a renewable energy source because it uses the natural water cycle. It plays an important role in providing clean and reliable electricity around the world.